Hi guys. Let's see how to share from Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 computer. To share with others using Nearby Sharing in Microsoft Edge, they must have a compatible Windows 10 PC and Nearby Sharing enabled. They also must be physically close to you and accessible via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. To share a URL in Microsoft Edge with Nearby Share. First open the website. Click Customize and select Share button. And the button is in the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge menu bar. It looks like a box with an arrow coming out of it. Here you have options to share using social media, or you can email to yourself also. There is an option called Windows Share option. There you can share for nearby devices as well. That's all about share from Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 computer. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.